Sir.
So let's begin today. The last time you had sent me your assignment, your homework. So let me see today.
Okay, sir.
This is your homework. So at first, I would like to ask you, what are the paragraphs
Like the
from where?
format of paragraphs.
The first paragraph you can read where to up to where
Like
that you have finished.
first the introduction, then
Yeah.
the body paragraph, then the body, and then conclusion. There are 4 paragraphs to write 1 paragraph.
So first introduction is from where to where? Where? Tell me.
Sir, your voice is coming very low.
Now can you listen to me?
Yes, now I can listen to you.
Now I'm asking you. First, I would share my screen to you. Let me share my
Okay, sir.
screen. So now I'm gonna check it and I'll explain. Look, let's begin with this living in village. Village is a place where, look, you have written again this is and this is. Okay? Hello. Hello. Can you say this village is a place where is.
Village is a place where it's all greenery.
No, no, one. So you cannot put twice is this one again in the same sentence. This is also auxiliary verb is, and after this you cannot put two times this is in a single sentence. Can you understand?
Okay.
Again, read it. Village is a place where all greenery. Read
Greenery, fresh air.
and not a single. What is this? Percent of pollution.
Yes.
Okay. This is your introduction. Tell me, this is
Yes,
your
this was my
introduction.
intro. Yes.
Okay, your introduction is almost more or less the same, but you can also define in the other way also. Okay, like village is a place where many people okay live together with natural resources and low pollution. Can you write down like this what I have spoken to you? Village is a place where many people or family live together with less pollution, but okay, lots of natural resources such as ponds, rivers, lakes, forest, plants, trees, and because less population, so people enjoy the natural resources. So this is the first paragraph you must read. Look, the second line that you have written, if I would live to village, हाँ, you have to speak something. अगर मैं विलेज में होती तो आपको ऐसे बोलना है या दिस इज सेंटेंसेस कंडीशनल सेंटेंसेस इफ आई वर इन अ विलेज हाउ टू स्पीक इट इफ आई वर इन अ विलेज या इफ आई लिव्ड इन अ विलेज अगर मैं टीचर होती तो फिर कैसे बोलेंगे
If
चलो राइट इट डाउन अगर मैं एक टीचर होती, अगर
If
मैं,
I would be a teacher.
no, not would be, it's conditions. If I, WERE, if I were a TEACHER, this is the means of अगर मैं एक शिक्षक होती, if I were a teacher. Now I will ask you some questions. अगर मैं मिनिस्टर होती तो कैसे बोलेंगे? अगर मैं एक डॉक्टर होती,
If I were a doctor.
you understand, no? If I were a doctor. अगर मैं आपकी जगह होती,
Okay, let me type.
ओके, देखो आई हैव गिवन वन सेंटेंस, अगर मैं आपकी जगह होती.
Yes, I'm writing. Wait a minute.
हाँ हाँ, आई एम वेटिंग, आई एम जस्ट राइटिंग, टाइपिंग इन हिंदी. If I were, that's fantastic. That is fantastic. Understood, no? So such kind of sentences you have to write down like this. If you have to speak, अगर मैं एक डॉक्टर होती तो कैसे बोलेंगे? How to speak?
Okay, let me type. If I were a doctor.
That's great. So whenever this is still incomplete sentence, अगर मैं एक डॉक्टर होती तो मैं फ्री
If
में,
I were in a village.
हाँ, अगर मैं विलेज में होती तो ज़्यादा एंजॉय करती. The second sentence would be separated with a comma and you have to use would. I would enjoy a lot. Look, अगर आपको ये देखो डॉक्टर का स्पेलिंग दैट यू हैव रिटन रॉन्ग. Understand what is the spelling of doctor? If I were a doctor, so comma, I would, okay, TRE, I would treat poor people at free of cost. So means what? अगर मैं एक डॉक्टर होती तो गरीब लोगों का इलाज मैं फ्री में करती. अगर मैं तुम्हारी जगह होती तो यह जॉब छोड़ देती. कैसे बोलेंगे? अगर मैं तुम्हारी जगह होती तो यह जॉब छोड़ देती तो कैसे बोलेंगे? बताइए.
If 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 I were at your place, I would leave the job.
That's fantastic. Means this is called conditional sentences. You know, the very first meeting I had explained you. Now I would send you some of the information to you. अगर मैं टीचर होती तो बच्चों को फ्री में पढ़ाती तो कैसे बोलेंगे? हाउ टू स्पीक?
Okay, should I type or should I speak?
यू कैन टाइप इट. अगर मैं एक टीचर होती तो बच्चों को फ्री में पढ़ाती. अगर मैं एक टीचर होती तो बच्चों को फ्री में पढ़ाती।
Okay.
See, can you see this one?
Yes, I can see.
What it is written? If we go, if you see. This is called first conditional sentences. What is this called? You write it down. First conditional sentences.
For
Conditional.
first, okay.
First conditional sentences.
Yes.
Means you are learning today. There are three types of conditional sentences, but I would like to start with. Actually, it is four, but three main conditional.
First conditional sentence.
You can start the sentence
Condi-
with if and has a condition. Okay? And the consequence and the consequences और परिणाम जो होते हैं वो सही होते हैं, ट्रू, फैक्चुअल. The sentence structure will be like if plus subject, if plus subject plus present tense then comma. It is called first clause. Okay. Always conditional sentences has two different clauses. So I will write down that the next one is, the next structure is subject plus will plus verb first, or future or subject. So this is away means the consequences are right. Just say if you try again, try again, will be सक्सेसफुल। दो सेंटेंसेस हैं इसमें। द फर्स्ट वन इज इफ यू ट्राई अगेन, अगर आप दोबारा कोशिश करोगे, अगर आप इफ यू स्टडी मोर, सो यहाँ पे देने की जरूरत नहीं है, यू विल पास द एग्जाम। अगर आप स्टडी ज्यादा करोगे तो पास हो जाओगे। यू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू से? Mayurakshi, can you understand?
Yes, I understood.
So give some example. देखो ऐसा द फर्स्ट कंडीशन इज अगर मैं दादर जाऊं, अगर मैं मुंबई जाऊंगी सर, अगर आप बोलो अगर सर मैं मुंबई आऊंगी तो आपसे मिलूंगी, तो हाउ टू स्पीक? अगर मैं मुंबई आऊंगी तो आपसे मिलूंगी। यस, आई एम वेटिंग फॉर दैट।
Yes, I have typed.
बट दिस इज रॉन्ग। यू नो द फर्स्ट सेंटेंस विल बी इफ के साथ जो सेंटेंस आता है ना उसमें विल नहीं लगाते। सी दिस इज रॉन्ग। द सेकेंड सेंटेंस में विल होगा। देखो आई हैव नॉट यूज्ड मीन्स, दोनों के मीन्स में
I,
हाँ हाँ, इफ आई कम टू मुंबई दैट्स फाइन। इसका मतलब अगर मैं आऊंगी, इफ का मत इफ आई कम, अगर मैं आऊंगी।
like I'm not sure about that. It's
आई यू
similar to it. It's similar. It is similar to maybe. Like if you are not sure about your future, what is
वट
going
एवर,
to happen, you are just predicting that.
वट एवर, बट यू शुड नॉट राइट, इट्स रॉन्ग स्ट्रक्चर। You have to start with if plus subject plus, you should not use will, you have to use will in that the next sentence. Maybe it's a future, maybe it's not sure, but you have to say this surety in the next sentence. So you don't have to read, you don't have to write twice this will in a sentence. You have to write down if I come to Mumbai I will meet you, I will meet with you. Write down once again.
Okay, I'm ready.
You understand what I'm saying? Means the first conditional sentences when you have to start, मैं करूँ, अगर मैं जाऊंगी, अगर मैं करूंगी, अगर मैं देखूंगी, सो ऐसे सेंटेंसेस में विल नहीं लगाते हैं। द सेकेंड कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस में विल लगाते हैं।
Okay, let me type again.
हाँ हाँ, या
Just wait a minute. Yes.
If I come to Mumbai, I will meet you there. This is right sentence. ठीक है? Now again the
Okay.
next sentence. अगर मुझे टिकट मिलेगा इसका तो मैं ये फिल्म देख लूंगी. अगर मुझे टिकट मिलेगा तो मैं ये फिल्म देखूंगी.
Okay.
If I get this ticket, I will watch it. That's fantastic. Make one more sentence from your idea.
Okay.
With your own idea.
Okay.
So suppose I have given one more example to you. Look, I have sent to you. This also comes in in negative, like this. If I don't come to Mumbai means I don't मैं नहीं आती हूँ ऐसा सेंस नहीं है. अगर मैं नहीं आऊँगी तो आपसे नहीं मिलूँगी. अगर तुम होमवर्क नहीं करोगे तो तुम सक्सेसफुल नहीं होगे. बोलते ना, इफ यू डोंट डू योर होमवर्क यू विल नॉट अंडरस्टैंड बेटर. अगर आप मुझे नहीं बुलाएंगे इस पार्टी में तो मैं नहीं आऊँगी. ऐसे सेंटेंसेस बना सकते हो आप.
Yes, I have sent you.
If I participate in this competition, I will earn another. That's good. You understood now what I'm trying to say?
Yes,
Look,
I understood it.
I will show some more examples from Cambridge book. Okay, this is Cambridge book syllabus. You can see they have written. Now I would ask you to see this picture. Three people are there, okay, and they're talking. One person is asking, shall we go by bus or taxi? ये पूछ रहा कि क्या हम लोग टैक्सीज चलेंगे या बस से? तो देखो एक कंडीशन है, लेडी बता रही है ये बस स्टॉप की तरफ इशारा करके, अगर हम बस से जाएंगे ना तो थोड़ा सा सस्ता होगा. रीड दिस वन.
If we go by bus, it will be cheaper.
और ये आदमी बता रहा है कि अगर हम टैक्सी से जाएंगे तो जल्दी पहुंच जाएंगे. तो पढ़ो इसे.
We will get there more quickly if we go by taxi.
सो वी विल गेट मीन्स द सेकेंड जो क्लॉज है ना, विल वाला क्लॉज, इसे आप पहले भी डाल सकते हैं. जैसे आप यहाँ बोल सकते हैं इट विल बी चीपर इफ वी गो बाय बस. तो यू कैन सी व्हाट इज रिटन हियर. Read this one. What is written here?
If can be at the beginning of a sentence or
In the
the
middle.
middle.
So देखो in the beginning sentences हैं. What is the
If
first?
we go by bus, it will be cheaper. If you don't hurry, you will miss the train. If you are hungry, have something to eat. If the phone rings, can you answer it, please?
Understand, no? Means I have given you that structures. In the first clause with if, you have to use present tense. You can see all the present tense because this is the first conditional. The consequences means the result, जो इसका result होता है ना condition का, वह सकारात्मक होता है, यानी कि fact होता. जैसे मैं आपसे पूछूंगा कि पीहू अगर आप प्रैक्टिस ज़्यादा करोगे ना तो अच्छा परफॉर्म करोगे. तो ये तो बात सही है ना. इफ़ यू प्रैक्टिस मोर यू विल परफॉर्म बेटर. तो इसमें सेंटेंसेस में आप करोगे, अगर आखिरी में करूंगा जाऊंगा सब है, लेकिन हम सेंटेंसेस का स्ट्रक्चर ऐसा है इफ के साथ सब्जेक्ट के साथ हम लगाते हैं प्रेजेंट टेंस. इफ आई गो, इफ आई डोंट गो. अगर मैं मेहनत नहीं करूंगा तो सफल नहीं होऊंगा ना, तो कैसे बोलेंगे आप? अगर मैं मेहनत नहीं करूंगी तो सफल नहीं होंगी. टेल मी. Come on, tell me. Hello. Pihu, are you there?
Yes, now I can hear you. Can you repeat the question?
अगर आप मेहनत नहीं करोगे, अगर तुम मेहनत नहीं करोगे तो तुम सफल नहीं होगे.
Okay.
How to speak it?
If should I type or say?
Say.
Okay. If you work hard, you will be successful.
That's good. Now I will give you one sentence. पूरा कीजिए. What could be the consequences? अगर बरसात होगी तो मैं आज स्कूल नहीं जाऊंगी, है ना?
If it rains, I will not go to school.
Make more sentences. If it rains, कुछ और सेंटेंस आइडिया देखिए और क्या हो सकता है.
If it rains, I will enjoy a lot.
Very good. One more sentence.
Okay. If it rains, my mother will make rainy dishes.
Very good. अब दूसरा सेंटेंस. ओके.
Okay.
If you invite me at your birthday party. So please complete this.
If you invite me at your birthday party. Okay. If you invite me at your birthday party, we will enjoy a lot.
Make one more sentence with a different.
If you invite me at the birthday party, I will come to your party.
One more sentence.
Okay. If you invite me at your birthday party, I will give you a marvelous gift.
Make negative. If you don't invite me.
Okay. If you don't invite me at your birthday party, I will not come.
Write it down.
If you
3 sentences in negative. You understand because I have taught you positive. Write down 3 sentences in negative. If you don't,
okay,
if she doesn't.
if you don't invite me at your birthday party,
Huh.
I will I will not give you a marvelous gift.
If she doesn't. Make sentence like this. If she doesn't, say sentence now.
Okay. If she doesn't if she
Right.
doesn't if she doesn't study, she will be not successful.
Make it.
If they don't if they don't know me, if they don't know me, so how I know them?
How will I know? How will I get to know? How will I acquainted? How will I recognize? Okay, whatever.
If
So
we learn
complete these sentences. Write it down.
okay, if we learn
Write it.
if we learn new things, okay, let me write.
Write it down. Can you listen to me?
Yes, sir.
Make
I have
three.
written.
Make 3 sentences.
Okay.
Well, stop by the time. Let me teach you this one. What is this written? It will be cheaper if we go by bus. Means
Like
this.
it means
It
that
will also.
अगर हम लोग बस से जाएंगे तो वो ज्यादा सस्ता होगा.
हाँ. और we can also use the first will का जो sentence है ना consequences जिसको result वाला sentence को पहले भी बोल सकते हैं. if को बाद में ही बोल सकते हैं. तुम ट्रेन को मिस कर जाओगे अगर तुम जल्दी नहीं करोगे. Read this sentence.
You will miss the train if you don't hurry. Like if can be in the middle
हाँ.
also, and it can be at the first also. It can be in the
Yes.
both conditions.
Yes. One more thing that you have to take care. When it comes in a if, no, if in the middle, you should not put comma. You can see how they have not used comma.
Okay.
Now, read this
Like
sentence.
it's a full sentence.
Yeah, it's a full sentence. Now, read, if we see Anne tomorrow, किसी का नाम है, मान लो if we see Anne, if you see Maria tomorrow, कल तुम मारिया से मिलोगी तो. So देखो, after if you use present tense, not will. Can you list? Can you see this one?
Yes, not will.
No, will कभी यूज नहीं करेंगे. We say if you see. कभी नहीं बोलेंगे जैसे अभी आपने गलती किया था. ठीक है.
Okay.
So
Like
if you
that will
see,
the
uh,
total sentence will be wrong.
yeah, that's you are learning today a different thing. You know, very first time meeting that I had asked the question, do you know conditional sentences? So it is the same. Okay. Now,
Okay.
look, these are the sentences you have to. If I don't feel well tomorrow, I will stay at home. How well sentences? This is negative. Read this one.
If I don't feel well tomorrow, I will stay at home.
Okay. So now you have to read it properly. Okay. These are some of the practice and exercises that it has been given. I'm asking you to, you say you passed the exam. So how, what could be the best one? The best, how can you match this one? If,
If you pass the exam, if you fail the exam,
no, no, no.
if you
Match sentences. If you pass the exam, what could be
if
the,
you if you pass the exam,
look here, you will get a
you
certificate.
will get a certificate.
Yes, yes.
If you
Now,
fail the exam,
choose where it is.
mm, I will throw it away.
No, you can do it again.
You can do it again, okay?
Hmm.
You don't want this magazine?
If you
I
don't
will
want
throw
this,
it again. It will
uh,
be in the.
hmm. Now, if you don't, if you want
You
those,
want those pictures? If you want, if you want those pictures, I can lend you some.
that's fantastic. I think you understood. Next, if you are busy now,
If you are busy now, we can talk later.
that's good. Next,
If you are hungry, you can have lunch now.
very
If
good.
you
Next,
need money, mm, you can have them.
okay. So like this, you have to make this one. Now I will tell you that what is the second conditional. Ready? The second
Yes.
conditional means you have to talk about the present and the past. जैसे कि अगर मेरे दादाजी जिंदा होते, अगर मैं टीचर होती, अगर तुम, ये सारे सेंटेंस, अगर तुम करते, अगर वह देखती, तो देखो जो मैंने आपको समझाया है ये सारे सेंटेंसेस, यहाँ समझाया फर्स्ट कंडीशनल, ये इमेजिनेशन होते हैं, सेकंड इसके जो कॉन्सिक्वेंसेस होते हैं. ओके, द सेकंड कंडीशनल इज imagination. The sentence start with it and has a condition, and the conditions consequences are imagination. Okay, you can imagine. Okay, you know, speculation, like अगर आप मुझे बुलाते तो आता, अगर मेरे पास उसका नंबर होता तो मैं उसे अभी फ़ोन करता. मीन्स इमेजिन कर रहे हैं, मेरे पास है नहीं. ठीक है. इफ इसमें क्या होता है, जो वर्ड सेंटेंसेस होते हैं, सो स्ट्रक्चर, सी आई विल गिव यू द स्ट्रक्चर कंप्लीटली. इसमें आपका जो सेंटेंस स्ट्रक्चर होता है, एक प्लस सब्जेक्ट, इसमें जो आपका पास्ट टेंस चला जाता है. ओके, सब्जेक्ट के बाद यहाँ पे विल की जगह आपको वुड यूज करना है. वर्ब फर्स्ट फॉर्म. तो अब देखो, इफ यू ट्राइड, अगर आप कोशिश करते तो आप सफल हो जाते. अंडरस्टैंड. अगर आप पढ़ाई ज़्यादा करती तो आप पास हो जाती. इफ यू स्टडीड मोर यू वुड. डू यू अंडरस्टैंड. प्रेजेंट में हम सोच रहे हैं ऐसा, तो अगर मैं एक टीचर होती तो पढ़ाती बच्चों को अच्छी तरह से। इफ़ आई बोलो, कैसे बोलेंगे अगर मैं टीचर होती? मयूराक्षी।
Yes, hello.
यस, टेल मी। मेक सेंटेंस, अगर मैं एक टीचर होती।
If I if I were a teacher,
मैं मुफ्त में बच्चों को फ्री में पढ़ाती।
I would teach children free.
यस, अगर मैं टीचर नहीं होती तो बच्चों को नहीं पढ़ाती।
If I were not a teacher, I would not have teaching teach
आई वुड आई
children.
वुड आई वुड नॉट टीच यू। अब आपको अगर तुम मुझे नहीं बुलाते ना इस पार्टी में, या तुम मुझे बुलाते तो मैं आती। मान लीजिए किसी ने बुलाया नहीं आपको, लेकिन आप पूछ रहे, बता रहे हैं, अगर तुम मुझे बुलाते तो मैं आती, कैसे बोलेंगे? देखिए ये सेंटेंस है ना यहाँ पे, कैसे बोलेंगे? अगर आप बुलाते मुझे तो मैं आती जरूर। तो पास हो जाएगा ना बस आपको। इफ यू यूनाइटेड मी एट योर बर्थडे पार्टी। नेक्स्ट सेंटेंस, अगर आप मुझे बुलाते अपने बर्थडे पार्टी में।
Okay. If you invited me at your birthday party, I would have come to your birthday party. If you invited me at your birthday party, I
आई
would
वुड, इसमें
have
आई वुड के बाद अभी हैव नहीं लगाएंगे, हैव थर्ड कंडीशन में जाएगा।
I would give you a gift.
तो अगर मेरे पास उसका नंबर होता तो मैं अभी कॉल करती।
If I if I were have if I were have
आई वर्क की जरूरत नहीं, इफ आई हैड, मेरे पास
if
होता।
I had his contact number, I would call him.
नेक्स्ट सेंटेंसेस मोर।
Okay. If I had his contact number, I would
हाँ,
I would talk
आई
to
वर्क,
him.
आई वुड,
I would talk to him what
आई
to
वुड,
bring.
या आई वुड टॉक टू हिम, आई वुड इनवाइट हिम। तो विल की जगह यहाँ पे आई वुड लगाएंगे, मैं उसको आमंत्रित करती। ठीक है, आई वुड इनवाइट हिम। तो इसका मतलब आखिरी में मैं करती, मैं जाती, मैं सीखती। ठीक है, अगर पटना में अच्छे टीचर होते हैं ना तो मैं पटना में ही सीख लेती इंग्लिश। तो कैसे बोलेंगे आप? हम्म, बोलिए। अगर मेरे पास टाइम होता तो मैं आपके साथ जरूर आती।
If I if I if I had time, I
आई
would
वुड
I would
कम। आई वुड
come.
कम। ठीक है, अगर स्कूल खुला होता तो मैं स्कूल में ज़रूर जाती। इफ़ द स्कूल, बोलिए, इफ़ द स्कूल वॉज या वर ओपन। आई वुड अटेंड माई लेक्चर। देखो ये प्रेजेंट नहीं है, पास्ट है, क्योंकि आप इमेजिनेशन कर रहे हैं। इमेजिनेशन क्या है? जैसे अगर आप तुम मुझे इस पार्टी में नहीं बुलाते या मुझे आज कॉल तुम नहीं करते तो मैं वाकई तुम्हारे पार्टी में नहीं आती। तो अगर तुम मुझे कॉल नहीं करते, कैसे बोलेंगे आप? हम्म, कमान कैसे बोलेंगे अगर तुम मुझे आज कॉल नहीं करते? वेर आर यू पीहू नाउ? पीहू,
Hello,
वेर
sir.
आर यू?
Are you there?
या आई एम देयर, कम ऑन, आई एम आस्किंग यू। अगर तुम मुझे कॉल नहीं करते तो मैं तुमसे नाराज हो जाती, कैसे बोलेंगे?
If you didn't call me, I would be sad.
या दिस इज ओके। अभी नाउ यू अंडरस्टूड, सो मेक सम मोर सेंटेंसेस।
Okay. With negative.
हाँ, नेगेटिव। अगर तुम मुझे कॉल नहीं करते, अगर मैं पढ़ाई नहीं करती तो मैं पास नहीं होती, अगर वे लोग मेरे घर नहीं आते तो मैं घर से जल्दी निकल जाती, अगर मेरे दादाजी आज जिंदा होते तो मैं उनके साथ खूब खेलती।
Okay. If I had, if I had, if I had these all materials,
Okay.
I would definitely try to make that.
If my grandfather were alive, make sentences.
If my grandfather were alive, I would play with him a lot. Or if my grandfather were alive, I would listen some stories from him.
Great. If you didn't participate, अगर तुम इस टूर्नामेंट में
If
पार्टिसिपेट नहीं,
if you if you didn't participate in this competition or in this tournament, you would not get a prize.
yeah, you would not get the certificate. Yeah, you wouldn't win this match. तुम जीतते ही नहीं। Understand, no? Now I have to go with the third
Okay, so
conditional.
what is the next?
I have to teach you that the next third conditional. Third conditionals are almost past perfect tense.
Okay, can you repeat the question?
Third conditional sentences
Third
means
conditional sentence.
this is completely in the past stuff. How I will explain.
If we have to make a sentence with past, I have to make the sentence. I have to use had.
If and has, look, the third again start
If I
with if and
had,
has a condition, and the
if
consequences are imagination or in the past.
okay, and I can make the sentence like if I had these all materials, I would have tried to make this diary. Or if I had a pet, I would never be bored.
I will give you such kind of the homework. If I, okay, if I had a pet like this, but I will complete this. Okay, so in the past situation, if plus subject plus past perfect tense, and I have taught you what is past perfect tense, and the second one we would and then have, and then verb third form. Like if you had tried again, you'd have been सक्सेसफुल इफ़ अगर आपने पढ़ाई की होती अगर ज़्यादा पढ़ाई की होती इफ़ यू हैड स्टडीड मोर यू हैड आप पास हो गए होते you would have passed the exam. Read this, what I have written. Mayurakshi,
Okay.
read. Third condition.
Third conditional sentence. The sentence starts with if and has a condition, and the consequences are imagination or according to the past situation. If plus subject plus past perfect tense, subject plus would have plus verb 3. If you had tried again, you would have been successful. If you had studied more, you would have passed the exam. If you invited me at your birthday party.
No, so this is not, this is if you had invited me. Okay. जैसे मान लो किसी का बर्थडे
Okay.
निकल गया और उसने आपको इनवाइट नहीं किया और बोला आप आए नहीं तो आप बोलेंगे अरे तुमने मुझे बुलाया होता तो मैं आई होती ना. If you had invited me at your birthday party, so I would have come. अंडरस्टैंड आई वुड हैव कम यानी कि द सेकेंड इज वुड हैव जो भी अक्सर जो आप गलतियां करते हैं लोग उसमें हम
Yes.
प्रैक्टिस कर रहे हैं. आज आपको
Okay.
3 टेंसेस समझाया मैंने. देखो यही समझाया मैंने आपको इफ़ आई हैड और इफ़ वी वेंट. सो इफ़ वी हैड द मेमोरी ओके ही बाइड लाइक इफ़ यू हैड द मनी अगर उसके पास पैसे होते तो वह एक कार खरीद लेता फास्ट कार. तो ये ऐसे सोच रहा है ना यानी कि हम इमेजिनेशन करते हैं कि ऐसा मेरे पास होता तो ऐसा होता. तो लोग देखो यूजुअली हैड इज पास्ट बट इन दिस सेंटेंस हैड इज नॉट पास्ट. हैड मीन्स इफ ही हैड ये कंडीशन है. इफ ही हैड द मनी नाउ बट डजंट हैव इट. देखो इफ आई हैड न्यू इफ आई न्यू अगर मैं जानती उसका एड्रेस तो तुमको बता देती. तो अगर मुझे पता होता उसका एड्रेस तो तुमको मैंने बता दिया होता ना. तो सेंटेंसेस जो होते हैं ना सेंटेंसेस जो होते हैं ना आपको ऐसे बनाने हैं कंपेयर करना है इफ़ आई वॉज. अब देखो अब आपको सिचुएशन फील करना है इफ से. आपको सेंटेंसेस लिखने हैं अगर आप मम्मी की जगह होते तो क्या करते. लिखिए होमवर्क राइटिंग राइटिंग. हेलो 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 मयूराक्षी. हेलो हेलो यू आर नॉट देयर.
sir. Hello.
Yeah, are you there? That's what I'm asking. Hello.
Yes, I'm there. I was listening.
Okay, so this is I had given you homework, and the homework is also there. I have given you these pages. You
What
can
is the homework?
first you understand this is your homework. You have to make these all sentences. Unit 111 means these are the things that you have to write down on your book. Like use your own ideas to complete these sentences. Like this page that you have to do. Okay,
Okay, I
and
have to
again,
do this page, but
yeah, you have to also write down these sentences. Unit 112, and you have to also go with sentence
I
C.
have to write that which of these sentences,
Yeah.
like this exercise.
Look, the exercises that you have to write it down on your notebook. You do the exercises. I have given you two different exercises. This one, unit 112 and unit 111. This is exercises for the second conditional. Like I don't know the answer. If I knew the answer, I would tell you. I would का short form है ये. I have a car.
Yes.
मेरे पास कार है. I couldn't travel very much. मैं इतना नहीं कर पाती. If I didn't have a car, अगर मेरे पास कार नहीं होती तो I don't want to go out. मैं नहीं जाना चाहती. If अब देखो क्या होगा सेंटेंस तो आपको ये
If I
सोचना है.
want to go out, I would go.
Yes. So like this. आपको पूरा सेंटेंस पूरा बनाना है ना? This one and this one. Okay, how you
Okay,
have
so
matched.
you send me in my mother's mobile. I will do
This is
that
also there. This is also there in the
page.
group. This is there in this
Okay.
group, and this is also one of your home. This is your homework. Now homework from the second conditional. If you are at your mom's place, what अगर आप मम्मी की जगह होती तो क्या करती? If you had lots of money, what would you do? And I will give you some more homework on your mobile WhatsApp. Okay.
Okay.
So I think today you did a lot of things. Today it was quite technical class. We almost finished half of the journey. Do you understand what I'm saying? Half of the journey
Yes, I
means
understand.
हम लोगों ने आधे 12 सेशंस कर लिए हैं. We have got more 12 sessions. आधी जर्नी हमको और तय करना है, but by the time you need to have a lot of practice, Mayurakshi. You don't have to finish my sessions very faster. You do a lot of practice. Ask me for even your sentences for the paragraph writing. I'm not satisfied with that more. You have to write many sentences in the different paragraph. I will give you, but by the time, because this will help you a lot to be better in your writing skills. I have given a lot of corrections, so make a lot of sentences. Understand what I'm saying?
Yes, I understand.
So I'm expecting your all homework day after tomorrow. Before that, you can send it to me on my WhatsApp, and I will send you again these all things on your WhatsApp. Okay? What could be your answer? What could be your homework? Okay?
Okay.
Okay. So today, thank you very much, Marakshi. Have a good day. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.